In this video, what we will do is we will be adding our first model. Now, models represents any table that you want in your database. In this project, what we want to do is we want to manage a list of books. So for that, we will add a model or a table called book. In order to do that, in our project, we'll right-click, add. Let's add a new folder to separate things out, and we'll call this model. Inside here, we'll right-click, add a new class file, and we'll call this book. Then in here, we will add few properties. First will be the ID. So we'll say prop, this will be an integer ID. This will be a unique key. So we can add a data annotation by typing key, and if we do control dot here, you see using system.componentModel.data annotation. What key will do is it will automatically add ID as an identity column, so that way we do not have to pass the value. It will create an ID value automatically. Along with ID, we also want name of the book. So we'll do prop, string, and name. Then we want the author. So we'll do prop again. Prop is a snippet for property. So if you type prop and hit tab twice, it will automatically create a property. We'll call this as author, and let's make it string. Now for name, I want to display book name. So for that, we have a display attribute, and we also have a required data annotation. Let's try the required first. When we do required, this means that name cannot be null. The display data annotation, I will add it as we proceed with the course. So this looks good for my book, and these three properties should be sufficient. Once we have created this book, next thing is to add this to database. For that, we have to add few packages for Entity Framework, and we have to set up connection string. Let's do that in the next video.